Today we're going to check out the mini portable vacuum cleaner model H109. Unbox it here. First thing we got is a little brush attachment. We've got a little flexible attachment. We have an instruction manual. Comes with a USB charging brick there. Comes with a USB charging cable. It looks like it's a USB-C, so that's nice. Fit with everything else we have. And then we have the actual unit here in the box in the bubble wrap. So, oh, it's got a little cover that goes over it. That's nice. Move this tape here. Oh, it's got a little cover for the switch so it doesn't turn on. Also has a little brush cleaner. I think this is to clean the filter. So, comes off like that. It looks like you can open that, and there's the filter, and you're gonna dump that. So that's where your debris will go. That just fits in there, and then you can clean on that. And that just lines up with the locks and unlocks. So just locks in there like that. It's got some good force. Not too loud, but it definitely will suck some stuff up. We'll go around the house and find some corners and some stuff and pick up some napkins and see how it does. That's pretty cool though. It looks like it charges from the back here. So that'll be nice. Nice in the car or wherever. So here we go. We'll go do some vacuuming. Looks like we got some dust there. We'll do some pet hair and looks like some leaves. Oh yeah. These little corners always get tons of dust in them. All kinds of pet hair. Looks like it's picking that up nicely. A little bit of leaves. Got some leaves there. Getting into those corners really well. Let's try some other spots in the house. We trimmed our dog's hair yesterday and got some pet hair on the carpet, so this will be a good test for it. That's working really well. It's attacking those pet hair. Sucking it right up. Here's some more pet hair. Some leaves. Kylo loves it. Here we have our stairs. These are no fun to carry a vacuum, full-size vacuum up, so this will be nice. Maybe you'll hit that pet hair on the stairs. Look at that. Little Christmas tree shavings. A little paper. Thing's got a lot of power. You can see it just sucking up that dust. So now we'll try some attachments. Now I've got the attachment on. It works really nice to get in there. This is one of those spots we just neglect to clean because it's so hard to carry a vacuum up and down it. So this is really nice. You can hear it. It's going to town. Get in there on the baseboard. We'll try out the other attachment next. Okay, now we got the other attachment on there. So let us get us into the vents. Kind of brush stuff. It's really nice to get in there. Kind of pushes stuff out from around the edges. Now let's go see what we've collected. Okay, now that we've got our vacuuming test done, we'll see how much stuff we collected. So we switch it to the unlock and set it here. Pull out. Oh man, look at that. Look at all that. We'll use our little brush to clean off the filter. Wow. It's pretty incredible how much stuff it can pick up in that little bit. Look at all that. I'm sold. It's pretty awesome. I definitely recommend the mini portable vacuum cleaner. Be great for the car, stairs, little crevices, keyboards, whatever we need. So definitely pick one up.